Okay, pretty easy to get you started. So we got a little slide down from the 12 to start things off. We got, and then the riff starts. It's going to go open, big E, octave of the E, 7th fret of the A string. So back to the E. Three of those sevens, that B note, 7th fret of the E string. So we got. So as you can see, that 12 only happened the first time, and once we get into the riff, it's just 0, 7, 0, 7, 7. So on the 4, I'm going to hit this 12 down and get started. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we got here is open to 2 on the A string, 5 to 4 on the D string, and then 2 on the G, 5 on the B. So it's, and then we go 2 on the D to 3 on the A, back to that 5-4. We're gonna slide into the 6 on that A string to the 4 on the D string, E power chord. So once again, it was 0, 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, and then 2, 3, 5, 4. Slide into the 6 to the 4, E power chord. And then we have these 2 middle strings. We have 4 and 6 into the 5 and 7, and then we're gonna go chicka-bum. And this is a D power chord, so that's A string, 5th and 7th there. We go chicka, a couple pick scratches, and then we hit that chord there. So we got. B flat power chord over here, 1 and 3 off the A string. We got. Okay, so we go chord, dun dun chord, dun dun chord, dun dun. And we do that last chord, we kind of pull off to the open on the A string. We go 3 to 2 on the big E string. So we got. That's a little 12, 12, 11. Do that twice, then we're gonna come to the C power chord, do the same type of thing. So we kind of pulled off to the open again on the A. 3 to 2 again. Same high notes, back to B flat. Now we're gonna go to the A power chord. Dun, 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 dun. 0, 2, 0, C7 chord here. So the C7 chord is A string 3, we got 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. So it's 0, 2, 0, C7 chord. So once again, the whole part was. C. B flat. And then A. 0, 2, 0 to the C7. Okay, so it's like our riff from the beginning. We just 0, 2, 5, 4, and then we go 2, 3, 5, 4, and just keep repeating that. Might try some artificial pinch harmonics there, like on that 4. Okay, now a couple more things on this tune I want to show you. Okay, so we're bending the 14 on the G, and then going 12, 12, going down, and then pulling off this 15, 12 on the second string, so it's. You kind of hold on to this bend slightly before you hit the other note. So it's like. Okay, so that's a good one to practice. One more thing for this. He has a quick pull-off thing. So that's 19 to 15 on the E and then 17 on the second string. Start it nice and slow and then just try to pick up your speed as you practice it. Okay, so we got some cool riffs here. We got 11 on the A string, 13 on the G, 12 on the D, and then we got, so that's 11, 9 on the D, and then 9, 11 on the A. Back to that 13, 12, and then slide into the 16 with your first finger on the G string, and then we get into the big riff. Okay, so we have 18, 17, 16 to the 19 there. We're going to pull off the 17, 16. And then we're going to go 19 on the second string back to that 16. And then we're going to have second string, 19, 17, 16, kind of pull that one off. 18 on the G, back to the 16 on the B. 18, 16, pull off on the G. 19 on the D, so let's look at all that. Okay, then we're in the next measure. So it's gonna be 16 on the G, then we're going to the D, 19, 18, 16, pull off, then again, so it's then 19 on the A, 16 on the D, 19 to 18 on the A. And that pattern is gonna be also down here in the lower octave. Okay, so he doubled that, lower octave with higher octave. Okay, then later in the song, we're gonna have that riff in a different key. And then we have some riffs to go to the end of the song here. So that's 11, 13, 14 on the A, and then same on the D. And then 11, 13 on the G. Trill on the 11 and 12 of the B string. Back to the 13 of the G, so. And then we have. So 14, 12, 11, small string. Same thing, second string. 13, 11, bend the 13, so. And then we have. So we're gonna bend that 19 up on the little one. Go 16 and then bend the 19 on the second. Back to the 16, bend again. So we got. And the song ends with. So you got a big E string, then power chords on the 5-7 and the 4-6, A to A flat. Okay, that's also how the song gets started. So let's look at these riffs again. We got. Okay, and like I said, it's the same thing down here. Okay, then when you switch keys towards the end of the song. Okay, so what we have, the interesting thing is we got these little opens down there with these various different power chords. So this first one we can do the big E, 799, and these opens, that's just still an E power chord. So it's kind of like a chord, hit those little opens, couple bass notes, couple chord with the opens. So it's like, we're gonna do the same thing with the C chord. Okay, and when you hit that C chord, you don't want to hear those opens yet until it's time. Okay, then we go to the big A. Make sure you keep that G string muted on this one. And then B power chord. So 2 power chord hits. And then O2, O, 3, 2 on the big one there. So. Here you can get into a 10, 9, 7. You could also go, you could do it that way, 5, 4 on the D string to that 7, but I like to do it this way. Now on that C, we got 5, 4, 5 on the D string. These are normal. Okay, one more thing on this tune we got. When it gets into that change, we're gonna have a G chord here. I'm doing that one with the 2 3s on the bottom, and I'm muting the A string. Then we go to a G minor 7. So we got the 3s in here on the D, G, and B strings with that G bass. And then we're gonna go to 2s over there. And then we're gonna go to 5s, and we're keeping that G bass the whole time. So we got. Okay, so what we have is O, 2, and 5. We have open on the A string, then 2 on the D, 5 on the G string. So we have O, 2, 5, 2, and then we're going 4, 2, O, 2. So we start on the A again. O, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2. So it kind of walks right up the scale with like the pedal note underneath. So. Okay, then we start the new part. Okay, then you kind of have a big E, so like it's octave over here in the D string, back to an A note. So we got. Okay, so up to speed, you're like. Okay, now later in the song, we're gonna have a riff on the E string that's just like the same type of thing. But it only goes that far, so O, 2, 5, back to the 2. Got the 4, 2. Back to the open. O, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2. So. And then we move to this new part. So that was 5 on the D, and then 3 on the B, and open G. And then all we do is go to the 4 here in the D. And we're back to the riff. Now we do a cool one. 1, 2 open, and O, 2 open on the A string going down. Now this time we do it a little different on this one. We go 5, 3 open, and then 4, but then we go little 5 and 3. So. Okay, so that's that part. Let's look at all that again. We got. Okay, I got one more riff for you from Diary of a Madman. We got. Okay, so we have either like 2 or 3 strums on that open E. And we have a power chord, 7 and 9, going down to the 5 and back, so it's. Now here we have the D and B strings, 4th and 2nd strings, going 5s, back to 4s, and back to 5s, so we got. So here we have hammer onto the 2 and the big E, 2 more 2s, those little 2 5s down there, back to the bass note, and then we have 3 2 3 5 on the A string, and then 5 4 2 0 on the D string. So we got. Okay, so once again, 3 2 3 5 5 4 2 0.